Imagine a world that's totally connected. A world without limits. A world where information flows freely. Where information just glides from here to there. Imagine a really comfortable and an enjoyable ride with everyone connected. An easy and safe flight. Everything is taken care of and everything is just right. Imagine that there in your sitting room or in your office, you're actually in an airplane, in a world where all your communications and data are safe. Imagine a world where you could spread your wings in total safety. A world where everything is organized just right, and all its information being permanently updated. Imagine taking flight from wherever you are, and that's the world you're living in, right now.